What's up, guys, and welcome to my 4K Blu-ray unboxing for the 45th anniversary limited edition of Jaws on 4K Blu-ray. This releases tomorrow, and Best Buy, was nice enough to send it to me a day early. So you get this really amazing lenticular cover here, where the mouth moves. I think that's pretty awesome. And then on the spine here, it's Jaws. Flipping it to the back, you get some nice artwork. The film that still makes audiences afraid to go in the water, which is pretty true. I'm still kind of sketchy about going to beaches just because of this movie. You get a lot of nice bonus features. The shark is still working. The impact and legacy of Jaws, the making of Jaws, Jaws the restoration, deleted scenes and outtakes from the set, storyboards, production photos, marketing Jaws, Jaws Phenomenon, original theatrical trailer. The movie is rated PG, but if it came out today, I think this would definitely at least get a PG-13 rating, no doubt about it. I guess this was really the first movie that started the big blockbuster, really. So Steven Spielberg, came out of the gate with this one and turned into a beloved filmmaker. And Steven Spielberg is actually my favorite director of all time, and this is one of his greatest films. So if you take the cellophane off, this does sort of slip off, take the little stickiness off the back there, and it kind of just looks like this, which is pretty awesome. This is a pretty awesome packaging here. I'm so happy that I was able to get this. So taking it out, you actually get a little book inside, which is pretty cool, which basically, let's see, what I really owe to Jaws was creating in me a great deal of humanity about tempering my imagination with the facts of life at sea. It's from Steven Spielberg. And some other things written here that I'm gonna really love to read. Introduction by producer Richard D. Zanuck. You got all this sort of stuff from Steven Spielberg in here, some stuff from Roy Schneider, a lot of really cool things here. Richard Dreyfuss, this book is just filled. Robert Shaw, Shooting Sharks. Let's see if there's anything about John Williams in this book. Yeah, Spielberg shoots, Williams scores. This is absolutely incredible. Look at that. That is amazing. I can't wait to read all this. So you do get a pretty awesome book in this, Bruce the Shark, and they actually go into how it actually worked and the mechanics of it all. Original storyboards. This is absolutely incredible. I can't express that enough. You get some awesome artwork and posters and everything. Look at that. That's just incredible. This book is pretty fantastic. The legacy of Jaws, and the last page in the back there, and the front. And that's just the book inside. So then you get into the actual 4K Blu-ray movie itself, which the case does look basically the same. You do get a digital slip inside. You get Jaws on 4K Blu-ray and Jaws on standard Blu-ray. And I am absolutely blown away by this release. I can't wait to watch this on 4K, and if anybody's interested in a digital copy code for the film, which is right here, feel free to check out my weekly live show, Quickie Wednesday Live, coming this Wednesday around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I'll be giving away the digital copy code for this, Parasite, and a couple other things in there as well, including some Hunger Games movies and potentially Hacksaw Ridge as well. That's another code I'll be giving away. But yeah, this is an absolutely phenomenal set here. I'm so just pleased by it. It's a thing of beauty. So guys, comment your thoughts. Do you plan on picking this up? This is totally a collector's edition item. This is awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links to those are in the description of this video, and you could also follow me on Instagram at KingArises131. Guys, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching my 4K and Blu-ray unboxing for the 45th anniversary of Jaws. And until next time, over and out.